Namaste student, I am Bulbul Sengupta, your maths teacher. Welcome to the class children. Children, today I am going to start simple interest, unit number 13. Now let us start unit number 13, simple interest. So this is the picture. All of you open your book, page number 158. Now in this picture book page, all of you see there is a picture is there. Okay, so read it carefully and find out what Raju is doing in this picture. So this is Raju. Raju has deposited rupees 100 in a bank. This is a cash counter of the bank. Okay children. So Raju has deposited rupees 100 in a bank. After 1 year, Raju goes to the bank to find out about his deposited money. The manager of the bank informs Raju that rupees 100 deposited in the bank 1 year before has now become rupees 110. Wow, Raju is very happy to get more than 100 rupees. Now, Raju said very excitedly, "Thank you, but how did my 100 become rupees 110 after 1 year?" Then bank manager replied with a smiling face, "When someone deposits money in a bank, the bank pays some extra money on the deposited amount." Now, the money which is deposited, put in the bank is called principal. जो मनी राजू ने डिपॉजिट किया उसे कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल. द एक्स्ट्रा मनी पेड बाय द बैंक इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. जो एक्स्ट्रा मनी बैंक दे रही है प्रिंसिपल जमा करने वाले मनी के साथ साथ कुछ ज़्यादा मनी, उसे कहते हैं इंटरेस्ट. द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आफ्टर विच मनी इज विथड्रॉन इज कॉल्ड द टाइम. और जितने समय के बाद मनी को, पैसे को जमा किए हुए रुपए को निकाला जाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइम. And the extra money paid by the bank for every rupees 100 after 1 year is called rate of interest. जो पैसा एक्स्ट्रा बैंक देती है वो हर 100 रुपये के ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा पैसा 1 साल के लिए देती है. दैट इज कॉल्ड रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. डू यू नो चिल्ड्रेन, द बैंक ऑल्सो गिव्स लोन. बैंक लोन भी देता है. The bank has given Ramu a loan of rupees 6,000 to purchase a tractor. So, Ramu was a farmer. Ramu had taken loan from the bank and he purchased a tractor for his irrigation. And then after 3 years, Ramu returns back the loan along with 10% interest charged by the bank. अब आफ्टर 3 साल के बाद वो फिर से बैंक से जो पैसे उसने लिए थे उधार उसे वापस किया, लेकिन 10% इंटरेस्ट के साथ, चार्ज बाय द बैंक. जो बैंक ने 10% इंटरेस्ट चार्ज किया था. हियर द मनी बोरोड, दैट इज लोन जो लिया था उसको कहते हैं प्रिंसिपल. एंड द एक्स्ट्रा मनी टू बी पेड इज कॉल्ड द इंटरेस्ट. The bank utilizes the money deposited in the form of loan to the customer or invest in some project. The bank earns interest on the same. बैंक जो मनी डिपॉजिट होता है लोन के थ्रू कस्टमर के पास, उसका दूसरे और एंड इन्वेस्ट, अपने पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करता है किसी और प्रोजेक्ट पे, तो बैंक जो है वो क्या लेता है, उस पर इंटरेस्ट लेता है. अगर किसी को लोन दिया, दैट ही the person Ramu, he takes the loan from the bank. So bank will take the interest over that. Bank also needs the interest. Bank takes some extra money, extra amount. Now come to the worksheet number 1. First, fill in the blanks. The money deposited in a bank is called, it is principal. The extra money paid by the bank is called interest. The period of time for which the money is kept in a bank is called time. The money borrowed from the bank is called loan. The extra money charged by the bank for every 100 rupees deposited in the bank is called rate of interest. Okay children, now let us come to the simple interest. Factors determining the simple interest. So see children, this is your classroom. Okay children. Now, children, see, this is your classroom, the vacant class, the class without you. Now, let us see that come to the money that is deposited in a bank, it is called the principal amount. What is the principal amount? Principal is the money that is deposited in a bank. That is called, the money that is deposited in a bank is called principal amount. Okay. Now come to the rate of interest. Rate of interest. Rate of interest is the extra money. The extra money which is paid by the bank. For every 100 rupees, every 100 rupees in per year, after 1 year. After 1 year. Okay. So here all of you see, what is the principal? The money that is deposited in a bank. It is called the principal amount. And the rate of interest is the extra money which is paid by the bank for every 100 rupees after 1 year. That is called rate of interest. Now come to the time. The time. Now come to the time. Time is the period of time. Time is the period. The period of time. It is the period of time in which the money is withdrawn. Okay. So, it is the period of time after which money is withdrawn is called the time. The period of time after which money is withdrawn, that is called the time. And also the bank gives some amount, that is called loan. The man gives the money that is borrowed. The money which is borrowed, children, it is called loan. The money which is borrowed is called loan. Okay, what is a loan? The money which is borrowed is called loan. Now let us come to worksheet number 1. Now here all of you see that this is the question number 1, worksheet 1, fill in the blanks. Money deposited in a bank is called principal. The extra money paid by the bank is called interest. Okay. Now let us come to the next one. So in this way, C is the period of time. The period of time for which money is kept in a bank is called what? Is time. Okay. Now next one is the money borrowed from the bank. The money borrowed from the bank. The money borrowed from the bank is loan. The money borrowed from the bank is loan. Okay. So come to the E. the extra money, E, the extra money which the bank returned, the extra money, charged by the bank, the extra money charged by the bank for every 100 rupees, is called rate of interest, Okay children, now let us come to discuss another topic, how to calculate the simple interest. Come to worksheet number 2. So in worksheet number 2, how to calculate the simple interest. So the factors which are responsible for calculating the simple interest are principal amount. Principal amount is the amount which is deposited in a bank, okay, or the bank which gives us the loan. Now second is rate of interest. Rate of interest which is given by the bank or given to the bank. And third factor is time. So what is the formula? The simple interest, that is SI, is P into R into T. Okay. So let us start today's worksheet number 2. So for worksheet number 2, so here come to question number 1. In question number 1, question is find the simple interest. What is the question? Find the simple interest. Okay. So let us start. Find the simple interest. Okay, I am giving you the one example A. Rupees 400 at 5% interest. 5% interest for per annum. Here per annum means for 1 year. Here time is 1 year. Okay. Rate of interest is 5%. R is 5%. And what is the principal amount? Principal amount is rupees 400. Okay. Now let us start today's simple interest. SI. Simple interest is equals P into R into T. So here principal amount is 400 multiply rate of interest is, what is rate of interest? 5%. 5% into time is 1 year per annum 1. So you can write it 400 into 5% can be written as 5 by 100 into 1. Correct? Now here 0 is numerator 400. You can write this 400 as, so all of you see here. So this 400 into, you can write 400 by 1. Now 5 by 100 into 1 by 1. Now here all of you see 0, 0. The numerator of 2 0 and the 2 zeros in the denominator cancel. Now 4 into 5 into 1. 4 into 5 into 1, that is equals rupees 20. So here simple interest is rupees 20. So similarly you have to do question number 1. Now come to question number 2. So in question number 2 there is a table. Okay, complete the table. Table is what? Principal amount, rate of interest, time and then simple interest. Okay, so let us start with first amount is rupees 600. For example, 600 and then rate of interest is 7% and here time is 2 years. Okay, so you have to find SI. What is SI? So SI is PRT, that is equal 600 into 7 by 100 into 2. So let us calculate. 0, 0 will be removed. 0, 0 will be removed. Okay. Now, so here all of you see that we have to calculate SI. So here SI is equals PRT. So it is 600 into 7 by 100. T is time is 2. Okay. Now this 600 will become 600 by 1. 2 will become 2 by 1. Okay. 0 is cancelled with 0. 0, 0 will remove. Now 6 into 7 into 2. Okay. So 6 2s are 12. 12 7s are 84. So answer is 84 rupees. Okay. So similarly you have to do question number 2. Okay children. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is a word problem. Question number 3 is a word problem. Come to the A. Problem number A. A man deposited rupees 4,500 in a bank. A man deposited rupees 4,500 in a bank. Deposited, it means it is principal amount is rupees 4,500. Now I am proceeding, which paid him an interest of rupees 11% per annum. So rate of interest is 11% per annum. It means time is 1 year. Okay, I am again repeating. A man deposited rupees 4,500. It is principal amount. What is the principal amount? The money which is deposited in a bank or the bank which gives the loan to you. Okay, so here the money is deposited in a bank is 4,500. Sorry, 4,500 and the rate of interest is 11%. Again I am reading the question. A man deposited rupees 4,500 in a bank which paid him an interest of 11% per annum. Per annum means the time period is 1 year. Okay, so now question is, how much simple interest will he get at the end of 5 years? So here rate of interest is 11% per annum. Okay. So here time is, you have to find out simple interest for after 5 years. So here SI is equals P into R into T. Okay. Again I am repeating. The principal amount is 4,500. Rate of interest is 11% per annum. It means per year, 1 year. Correct? And the time period here it is given. You have to find out simple interest. Will which will he will get at the end of 5 years. So this 5 year is the time period. Okay? Now let us start. 4,500 into 11 by 100 into 5. Okay, so 0, 0 will be removed. Simple. So it is 45 into 11 into 5. So children, you have to solve it. So this is the simple interest. Right? So I have left this one for you. You have to find the solution of this multiplication. Correct? Now let us come to next question. Question number B. In question number B, question is, Rahul borrowed rupees 650 from Sohan. For example, this is Rahul and this is Sohan. So Rahul borrowed how much rupees? Rupees 650. So this borrowing money is principal amount. Rahul borrowed how much? Rupees 650 from Sohan. This is Rahul and Sohan. Correct? So at 8% interest per annum. It means rate of interest per annum means per year is 8% per annum. It means every year. The interest is 8%. And find the simple interest Rahul has to pay Sohan after 4.5 years. Here time period is 4.5 years. This is a mixed number. So you have to firstly convert this mixed number into the fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2 years. Clear? So here again I am repeating. Rahul, he had borrowed rupees 650 from Sohan at an interest of rupees 8% per annum. Time period is 4.5 years. It means 9 by 2 years. Clear? Now let us apply the formula. What is the formula? SI equals PRT. So the formula is, in order to calculate the simple interest, that is equals PRT. Here principal amount is what? Rupees 650 into the rate of interest is 8% per annum into the time period is 9/2. Okay, so convert this 650, it will now convert it into fraction. Now it is clear. Now here 0 in the numerator, 1 0 of the denominator will be cancelled. Now here let us see 65 and 10. The common factor of 65 and 10 is 5. So let us divide 5. 5 is 13 and it is 2. Okay, again 8 and 2, they are having the common factor, so it will be 4 and it will be 1. Again 4 and 2, it will be 2 and it is 1. Now here it is 13 into 2 into 9. This is the answer. You will have to solve it. Okay, so you will get the answer. So similarly, I am not going to explain C. I have left it for you. So children, today's class work, C work is worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2, question number 1 and 2, and H work is worksheet number 2, question number 3, 4, sorry, question number 3. 3 is having A, B, C and D. Okay, A, B, C. Right? Again I am repeating, today's class work is worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2, question number 1 and 2, and homework is worksheet number 2, question number 3, ABC. Okay children? Okay, now children, if you have any kind of problem, we will discuss all these things in our live classes. So till then, goodbye, Shabba khair, bye bye children. So this is your today's assignment. Take care. Bye bye.